How to fix Shopee F00 error. Getting the F00 error when checking out on Shopee, don't panic. Here are a few ways for you to fix it. So first, you can go ahead and start by clearing Shopee's cache and data. To do that, long press the app icon on your home screen and then click on the eye icon, and that will take you here. So from here, simply click on clear data, and then from here, select clear cache. This removes corrupted files that often trigger checkout errors. Another thing you can do is to update the app. So open up Google Play Store into your device, head over to the search tab, and then use the search bar to look for Shopee. Now on the results, simply click on the Shopee app, click on the update button to start updating the application. Another thing you can do is to avoid stacking multiple vouchers or combining them with Shopee Pay or Ask Pay Later. If you've had failed transactions, removed unused vouchers, and retry checkout. Another thing you can do is to try switching accounts or devices. Log out and back in, or try using Shopee on another device. This helps bypass restrictions linked to your current setup. If you're buying expensive items, test check out with a smaller purchase first. Shopee sometimes restrict high value transactions. And that is how you can easily fix Shopee F00 error.